Hi, Mud Pie Mama, Paula Anderson here to answer a question from one of our readers, Devin. Here's what Devin writes. My daughter just turned 1. She is chatting and saying da-da, baba, and so on, but some of her friends the same age have actual words. How do I know if she's doing okay developmentally, and when should I worry? Great question, Devin. So language is a big deal, obviously. We want our kids to talk and we want them to communicate with us. And so we're always keeping our finger on the pulse of the whole language thing with our children, which is great. You want to be doing that. But not to worry. Kids excel at different rates. Some kids may advance quicker in gross motor, in the area of gross motor. Other kids may develop more quickly in the area of language. And so usually this all evens out in the end, but a few things to keep an eye on. So stage 1, around their first year, a child usually uses invented words. So that would be words like baba for their blanket, or maybe your pet dog has a special name, Gigi, or something that only you as a parent really understand and other caregivers may not, for your child specifically. So from there, they progress to the toddler age where they're stringing words together, uh-oh, sit down, things of that sort. And then, of course, the 3 and 4s where they're using language more specifically for communicating thoughts and ideas and creative play and things of that sort. So oftentimes kids will use sign language and they will use body language to communicate what they need, and oftentimes they communicate quite clearly and quite effectively, and so maybe that oral language piece is not quite as prevalent. So just keep that in mind. Some things to be looking out for: 1, are they pointing to things that they want? Are they chatting a little bit with the cooing and the babbling and invented words? Are they communicating through body language? Do they respond to loud noises? Those are just a few things. So some things you can be doing to encourage your child's language is read. Read to your child. Read all the time, as much as you can. Narrate what you're doing. Sometimes it's just as simple as when you're cooking dinner or when you're on a walk, you're just using descriptive language, you're using adjectives, you're just using those vocabulary words that you would if you were speaking to an adult, and that's great because you're building the vocabulary for your child. And then lastly, just continue to read. Did I say that? Read to your child. It's fabulous. So Devin, not to worry. I'm sure your daughter will do just fine. Just keep an eye on those things, and I know that she's going to do great. And obviously you're a great parent because you wrote into Mud Pie Mama. So okay, thanks Devin. Bye.